didn't put me on the top.
I know the house.
You probably put toys down.
What is going to drop on the wings? That's the house.
They used to be out.